Hey, it's Matt, and hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to be how to make money with Instagram, $100 plus a day. This is working in 2018. It is a system that you can do and not exactly make $100 a day at the very beginning, but if you follow through with this every single day, hopefully within 30 days from now, you will start to see results of your efforts. And by that time, you will have built a following, and you should be making passive income with this way of doing working on Instagram. So first, if you're not familiar with Instagram, then let me show you. I have 7 different Instagram pages. Here's one of them, Create Wealth and Freedom. I actually don't use this one anymore, but so if you want it, let me know. If I can hopefully maybe transfer it over to you or not, or whatever. But this is one I created, and this is basically Instagram. They have the tag Instagram.com, and then you have your your whatever it is here, your username, and that's it. So I'm going to give you the steps on doing this starting today, and it's very easy. It's completely free, and you can get started today with it. So watch it and take action. Okay. So first, it's how to make money on Instagram, $100 a day. So let me give you the first steps, and before I go into actually the steps, just want to highlight my channel real quick. I have on here today and I forgot to put this video number 50. This is my 50th video doing YouTube videos. So here it is. You can see that I definitely know what I'm talking about. All right. It's my 50th video, and here's my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/user0979MJBeal. All right, and you can go through, and all of my videos are here. So you're going to when you create your Instagram post, best thing to do, I want to suggest, is using what's called canva.com. It's completely free, and you can create your post, and then you can upload them into Instagram using that. I also want to highlight using what's called Grambler.com. It's a free automated posting if you're going to do multiple accounts. Okay, so it will upload your Instagram posts free, especially if you have multiple accounts. You need either Windows or Mac. Okay, so let's go through it, and I will show you how to do it. First thing to do is you want to create multiple accounts if possible. I know that there's some restrictions because of phone numbers and things like that. You get a prepaid phone and do it that way, and then that's a good way to do it. First 5 days of doing this, you want to follow 10 people. I didn't put on here, I apologize. You want to be posting at least 1 to 2 posts a day of your own. Okay, so 1 to 2 posts. Let me put that here. Post 1 to 2 images a day. So first 5 days, you're going to follow 10 people a day. The next 5 days, you are going to follow 20 people a day. It goes on and on here. Next 5 days, 30 people. So that's 15 days so far. And here, when you're going to get to, you can follow this the next 5 days, follow 30 people, next 5 days, 40 people, next 5 days, 50 people. And by the time you get to 30 days, you are following 1,050 people. Now, you have to segment this as far as 5 days, follow this amount, because if you follow too many people at one time, Instagram basically will flag that, and they think you're doing something not right. So you want to follow, in 5-day increments, and then just kind of raise it up by, as I put, 10 days, 10 people. So by the end of that time, you're going to have 1,050 people, and hopefully, if you're putting good images out there, they're going to start following you back. And what happens is this becomes, viral. You have 1,000 people you're following. They're going to be sharing your stuff. You're going to be sharing stuff. So you're going to start to get more people. As you can see on mine, this was I only created 20 posts here. I had 78 followers. I was following 200, so it's half of that. So, and then, here it is. You put a link here of what you want to do. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you put a link here, and, eventually people start clicking on this and they start purchasing it. So that's the whole thing, is you got to build up. Instagram is all about followers. The bigger you're following, obviously the more money you're going to make. Okay. And so canva.com is the thing I use. And if you want to check out this one right here, I use canva.com with this. I took a picture, and I just put editing on there. To change your future, you have to change your risks. And then I put create wealth and freedom. Create wealth and freedom. And then I put a little comment, yes, if you like money. And then you get people Instagram. Then you get people, talking, posting, and you're getting interaction. So you want to create a post that gets reaction, and then this looks professional because you're actually saying where it's from. It looks like, someone professionally did it, but it's actually very easy. I have it right down here. This I created just like that. Okay. If you need help with that, I can do that. And then if you create multiple accounts, I know I'm talking fast because I like to keep my videos down 10 minutes. So if you got any questions about any of this and I miss anything, just definitely hit me up, okay? And then Grambler, it's free to download, completely easy to use. All you do is, if you have multiple accounts, you just create those accounts, and then you upload one by one, and it's so easy. It's actually really a really good software to use, okay? So again, that's basically it. You're just building your following. You're building you're building your following, and eventually those people are going to start, clicking on your link, and then you're going to start getting purchases. And the more following you get, the more revenue, obviously, you're going to be making. Okay, so check out my channel, check out my other videos, like and subscribe to my page. And if you got any questions, feel free to ask me. All right, take care. Have a good one. Bye.